In this test, guys, I'm going to be trying out how well these drones do up against a leaf blower. So I'm just going to give you a word of warning now. Don't try this at home. Because obviously this drone's definitely not designed for wind. Whereas this drone is pretty good in the wind, I must say. But anyway, I've got my good friend Rob, who's got his leaf blower, and we're going to first try out the Neo with a leaf blower. You can imagine what's going to happen, and you're going to be quite surprised with the Mini 5 Pro up against a leaf blower. Anyway, going to give you a bit more information in the video, but I can safely say it was I was quite, what's the word for it now? Why did I make this video? But I'm doing it for you guys. This is the Neo. Is this a good idea? Probably not. Okay, Rob, get it going. Okay. Okay.
He went.
He went, didn't he? Yeah. Luckily, he's still all right. I'm just gonna see, and on there, it's just got overload on the gimbal. That was probably me picking it up, and it lives for another day. Okay. What I'm going to do, if you can blow it in front of the drone, okay. Yeah, it's still saying check propellers on it.
Take off. Home point updated.
Okay, just okay. Well, that's lived for another day. So as you saw at the end there, it blew the drone off course, and it come up. Check your props. And thankfully, it wouldn't fly. I checked the props. The props are fine. So I turned everything off, turned everything back on again. It still come up with the props, but then it did take off. I zoomed it around, did a return around. So it's all fine. That's the main thing. And I was going, thank God for that. So anyway, as always, there's going to be another video coming very sooner.